Hello and welcome back to
the Zak
and Buzz
Review.
Okay, so in a previous video you did a review on your luxury boudoir pillow. Right, so I'm getting my own
Super
bag.
king size.
Yes, we know.
And I got a very good night's sleep actually.
And it hit my face several times in that video, so check it out.
It works.
So, in this one I'm getting my own back.
Okay.
It is for my bed this time.
For your luxury
My penthouse. My penthouse suite.
Otherwise known as the attic. Oh, big box.
Big box. Skadunk.
Well, it's not a bed.
It's not a bed. It might be a small bed.
Could be.
But it's something for a bed.
Yes, you need to open it.
I need to open it. Can I have a cutting tool, please?
You can say it better than that.
I require a cutting tool.
There you go.
That was a reference to an Arnold Schwarzenegger thing. Anyway,
let's
opening
see
the box.
It's another Amazon Prime purchase.
Yes. Yeah, you got that side.
Okay, I'll do this side.
Ow, my thumb.
No. It's the long-legged scissor man.
Now, we do have special instruction not to pierce the packaging on this one from the overlord.
She who knows all, she who must be obeyed. There you go.
I'm intrigued.
Do we need the box?
We don't need the box. Check it over there. Oh, crikey, it's carnage everywhere. There you go.
That's better. Oh, well, that's a bit bright.
It's a very blue packaging.
What the hell is that?
So this is a luxurious brushed microfiber comforter set.
Oh, you've got a comforter set. Made by?
ComfyWell.
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 Oh.
So this is a coverless duvet set.
The coverless duvet. I've heard many good things about the coverless duvet.
This comes recommended from you already because you've got one.
Yeah, so I can give you feedback because we've been using a coverless duvet for the first time. We've always had covered duvets until Tina discovered, yet another discovery, that we can have for our luxury super king size bed a luxury coverless duvet. And so that got recommended to you to get one, didn't it?
Yeah. It's just a hassle. Always on like the ones you got to put the covers on, it's the poppers at the bottom. They're mad. So they always come undone during the night. It's preposterous.
So, can I ask you, technique? I think everybody has their own special technique of putting a cover on a duvet.
Right, okay. So, first of all...
How do you do it?
I put it inside out.
Okay, your duvet covers inside out.
Duvet covers inside out.
Okay.
I then stick my hands to either side of the corner in each end of it. So, I look like a ghost.
You're inside the duvet? No.
Sure, why not? Well, I could be.
Okay.
Depends how.
Okay.
What happens at the time? Then I grab each corner of the duvet, and then I kind of shimmy it off of myself, and then over the duvet.
Okay.
I then put my foot in the cover, and then kind of stretch it out. Like that.
Okay, I'm just imagining you in your penthouse suite.
Yeah.
Like, standing there.
Yeah. And then, once it's like that, I give it a little flap, but not too much, because I don't want to knock any collectibles down.
Okay.
And then I just place it on the bed.
On your double bed.
And then I do the poppers up. And then, ta-da.
And then you go to bed and unpop all the poppers.
They all come undone. So, this should be a solution to that problem.
Do you not want to know how I do a duvet?
No.
This might be helpful.
It might be helpful. Go for it.
So, if I've got the duvet cover, so I've got the duvet out of the cover and I've got a freshly washed duvet.
Yeah.
Okay. I put the duvet cover on the bed.
Yeah.
Okay. Find the open end.
Yeah.
Right? Then I get the duvet itself, one corner.
Yeah.
And I shove it in the duvet.
Right.
Up till I find the corner that it's meant to be in, right? Okay?
Yeah.
And then I go back and get the other corner and shove it up into the other corner.
Yeah.
And then I get the duvet and the cover and then I shake it so the cover drops down.
So how is that any better from how I do it?
I'm not inside it.
You're shaking around like this.
And then
but that's
then
fine.
when I get it down,
stretching out.
Then when I get it down,
that's implausible.
When I get it down, then I'll chuck it on the bed and I'll find the other two corners.
Yeah.
And then I'll give it a good shake to level it out.
So that's kind of how I do it.
And then I'll do the poppers up.
You just literally described it how I do it, just in a different way.
Let's get this one. So this one is different.
Yeah, this solves the problem. Okay.
No more duvet covers.
Oh, crikey.
Because you can't get it out of the packet.
This is tightly packed.
Okay, and this is going to take us far.
Okay,
we might have to
grab that side.
We might have to fast forward this. We're not allowed to break the packaging either. Look, we need to tease it off. Tease. We're going to tease it off. This is worse than getting a sleeping bag.
Good grief.
Out of a compression bag.
This ain't going back in. Come on, there's 2 fully grown men here. They can take a thing out of a bag.
At this point, I would normally just say, bugger this. There it's coming. Right, you got it.
Okay.
I've got this in.
Okay. Pull.
Oh no, I'm tearing it.
Don't tear it.
I did.
Pull.
I'm going to break it.
It's coming.
I'm going to get told off.
Come on.
Oh, and it also makes that.
It was going to happen in one of these videos. Somebody was going to put something on their heads, and maybe we should actually do a hat video. There you go.
For health and safety, do not leave packaging like this around if you have small children.
Or grown-up adults.
I'm surprised it doesn't have a warning on it. Although, I think I've just made an extra air hole in it. So.
Don't mention it to...
It was already there, wasn't it?
It was already there.
It's already there. Anyway.
Okay.
To the product.
So,
to this our ComfyWell Coverless Duvet. In executive black.
Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, it's got the pillowcases as well.
Right, we've got 2 pillowcases. Well, it did say it was a set.
Yes. Okay.
They're quite roomy.
Yeah, that's big.
Oh, well, they got a central split on them as well.
There you go. That looks too big for my pillows. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. Too small for my pillows. Do you know what I feel? There might be another pillow review coming up.
Oh dear.
Right, let's put
those to the side.
There you are, ComfyWell pillowcases. Right, here we are. We have the ComfyWell Coverless Duvet.
Any information on that little tag?
Aha, there you go, it's your duvet.
My duvet. A double 200 by 200 centimetre comforter.
Comforter.
Water temperature, nothing above 30 degrees. Do not bleach, do not iron, do not dry, normal or heat.
I do believe Tina was saying that was one of the benefits of this, because you can wash it at 30 degrees.
Right.
Okay. The thing is,
100% microfiber, 100% polyester, 100% microfiber.
Okay, so now I don't like my microfiber cushions.
Yeah.
Duvet I don't have a problem with.
I mean, it seems comfortable. I'm going to wrap myself up in it.
It's just wrap you up in it. Look at that. Look like something from Doctor Who now. Got to get Doctor Who in there somewhere. There you go. Your new Doctor Who monster.
Yeah, this is snuggly.
Okay. Well, I've been testing one out on our own luxury bed.
Yeah.
And
how are you getting on with it?
Yeah, I would actually say, don't think this is not a winter duvet.
No.
This is it's actually quite thin. So the reason that Tina's been raving about these is she didn't know that you could get a duvet that's coverless.
Right.
That means that this can completely go in the washing machine, 30 degrees, wash it, dry it, chuck it on the bed, and you're done. No duvet covers. Duvet covers, a thing of the past.
So it's kind of like one stage above a blanket.
Yeah,
it's a hybrid. It's like a hybrid duvet.
Duvet blanket.
A duvet blanket, a blanket.
I mean, it is obviously machined up into pockets.
Yeah.
Which it needs to be, because otherwise that hollow fibre, or microfibre as they call it, is going to move around.
I mean, it kind of feels quite kind of like airy.
Yep.
Yeah. I could fall asleep with that.
We are currently in May.
Yeah.
And normally it's hot weather in May in the UK. Last couple of years it's been up in the 20 degrees.
Yeah.
This May it's been dismal so far, hasn't it?
Yeah,
now, don't get me wrong, I like all weather. There's no such thing in my book as bad weather, but the temperature has been down, and we were actually out on survey last night, weren't we?
Yeah.
10 degrees. But I'm coming back to our cottage, and this duvet thickness more than suffice.
Yeah, I mean, if you're not happy with the thickness, just chuck another blanket on.
Well, you could do, yeah. But the thing is, I think the idea is, if you fed up
with putting the covers on,
washing your duvet. I mean, let's face it. If you're sleeping with a duvet, the duvet itself, at some point, you're going to have to give it a wash, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. As well as the cover, and then you've got to fight the cover back on. The idea is no more fighting the cover back on. Just take this off.
That's the main selling point with this.
Take this off, chuck it in the washing machine, 30 degrees, wash it. Meanwhile, if you've got a second one of these, slap it on the bed.
Yep.
You're good to go.
Done.
No fuss. Which also means it brings us to
the price.
The price.
So, what do we think? What do we think the price was for
this? Well, I don't know. I know, again, Tina purchased this, and she has sent through the price, so this is news to me.
How much?
Let's have a look. Do you know what the price is?
I think I can remember the price.
Okay.
I think it was around... Yeah, okay.
Yep. So
the price for this was £34.95p.
On Prime, no postage. So that's it. So, and you get 2 pillowcases with it.
And 2, yeah. It's a set. It's a set.
This is for your penthouse suite. Do you reckon you'll be comfortable with this?
I think I'll be comfortable. I must say that when it comes to, like, clothes and bed stuff...
it's hard to get excited about it.
It's hard to get excited about it, but... I mean, it's comfortable. It seems functional.
Comfortable, functional, does its job, and good for the price and ease of use. This has gone up a level on ease of use. Hasn't it?
Yeah. I think the downside of those categories, if you will, is probably the price.
Right.
It seems for me that's. I'm stingy when it comes to these type of things.
Yeah. Well,
but I'm happy with it.
I would say
I'm happy with it.
35 quid.
Yeah.
Is the price I'd expect to pay for a cheap sleeping bag.
A
cheap sleeping bag for glamping. Yeah.
Yeah.
So considering this is double bed size.
Yeah.
You know.
Does the job.
But the fact is, you don't have to take the cover off it.
Yes.
So you'll have no more poppers will be unpopped.
Oh, so we won't be stretching across the room anymore.
You won't be
wiggling around as you do.
You won't be finding your feet sort of like stuck inside the duvet cover because it's decided to come off.
Yeah. All right. Okay. That sells it for me.
Okay.
That sells it for me.
So you're going to have to try this on. So if you go onto Amazon, you're looking for the ComfyWell double duvet, plain quilt, comforter, bedspread, coverlets and sets. There you go. 2 pillowcases, warm and anti-allergenic, and it says all season coverless duvet.
Yeah. We'll put a link in the description.
Put a link in the... It's a mouthful, that is.
Yeah, you didn't really need to say that, but you did.
Well, I did.
It was fun. You're just obsessed with duvet furnishings.
You've got to get the product details in.
Bed furnishings.
Do you think... Okay, there's... Right, have a duvet.
Ow.
There you go.
Oh,
challenge for today. Get it back in its bag.
That's not happening.
Where you gone? There.
That's not happening.
No. I think there you go. Get rid of that.
Yeah, the bag's gone.
We'll just go and put it on your bed.
Yeah, let's do that right now. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel, and we will see you in the next review.